end-of-life vehicles and denying them fuel. Now, the order triggered widespread anger amongst Delhiites and the vehicle owners, but now not only the vehicles will no longer be impounded, the no fuel policy has also been postponed, and this time till the 1st of November this year. Now, there's been a major rethink on the controversial vehicle order. After the widespread backlash, the Delhi government has decided not to impose a blanket ban on end-of-life vehicles. Now, this means that older vehicles will not be impounded simply because of age, and that they will still be allowed to be refueled. Now, when it comes to determining whether a vehicle can stay on the road, who decides that? The government says it is not now the age, but the pollution status of the vehicle that matters. The no fuel policy has also been pushed now till the 1st of November and will focus on high traffic zones across Delhi NCR. This move comes after a key meeting with the Environment Secretary. Let's take a look at the ground report.
Now today, a detailed meeting happened in the CAQM with all the authority officials, and now they have decided that in Delhi as well as other regions of the NCR, be it Ghaziabad, Gautam Budh Nagar, Sonipat and as well as Faridabad, all these places will together go into the no fuel policy to the end-of-life vehicles starting from 1st of November. Remember, the CCTV cameras were installed at the fuel station, where these CCTV cameras were basically the automatic number plate registration cameras were monitoring the few vehicles and checking if the vehicles are of the expired age, that is if they are more than 15 years of age for the petrol vehicles or 10 years of age for the diesel vehicles. They were impounded at the spot at the fuel stations. But after certain backlash, especially when it comes to the vehicles from the neighboring states, the decision was taken by the Delhi government to reconsider this particular policy, and now the CAQM has decided that now it will be implemented on the entire NCR together, or major parts of the NCR together, for smooth functioning and better implementation of this particular policy. Remember, this policy was already facing much delays in when it comes to implementation. It was announced on 1st of April, but now when it started on 1st of July, for the first 2 days, there were certain problems when it comes to the implementation part, and now the CAQM as well as the government has decided that now it will be implemented from 1st of November. It is to be seen how the audience, on how the normal people, how the citizen of the entire NCR will perceive this decision.
Meanwhile, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has said that he can't spend more than 3 days in the capital due to rising air pollution, claiming that Delhi's air quality is cutting lives short.
मैं दिल्ली में 2 या 3 दिन रहता हूं, और जब आता हूं तो सोचता हूं कि कब वहां से जाना है, पहले टिकट जाने का निकालता हूं। आप इसको गंभीरता से लो कि दिल्ली में जो प्रदूषण है उसके कारण आम आदमी का जीवन कम होते जा रहा है।
Meanwhile, Delhi Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa has also called it a big win for the people of Delhi, adding that he has welcomed the CAQM's decision.
जो हमने मांग रखी थी उसके चलते बड़ी राहत दी है। 1 नवंबर 2025 तक की अब जो पेट्रोल स्टेशन, पेट्रोल पंप और फ्यूल स्टेशन के ऊपर गाड़ियों को जब्त करने का आदेश था, उस पर राहत मिली है। एक बहुत बड़ी राहत है दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए। दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी निरंतर इसके लिए प्रयास कर रही थी, और प्रयासरत होने के चलते मुझे इस बात की तसल्ली है कि CAQM ने हमारी भावनाओं को समझा। ये बड़ी राहत है दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए।
And before we head into a short break, let's take a look at the national updates. Prime Minister Modi has been given